So to make our book, we're going to start with the blank side up. We're going to do a hot dog fold, which means long side to long side. And make sure you fold very carefully so that all your folds are very precise. Open the paper back up and now do a hamburger fold, which is short side to short side. Take the end of the paper and fold it backwards, just like that. Flip it over, and now do the same thing on this side. So now your paper should look like this. It will look like a W from the side. Now notice the dotted line. We are going to cut over that with our scissors. Or you can tear it very carefully if you don't have scissors. Make sure you don't go past the dotted line. Just like that. Now you're going to pull those pieces apart and it will look like a cross. And now you can fold your paper so that the title page is in the front and the logo is in the back. And there you have it. Now you've made a book.